Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have AIMEILI's pink polygel to show you and see how the clarity on it, the pigment. And so as you can see, this is how it came packaged, and this right here, guys, is the seal. I already removed it. I want to show you how it came packaged, but it was sealed and I removed that seal off of there. There you see. What I'm going to do, so this tube is a 30 ml or 1 ounce. There it is. Very good quality polygel. I have used their polygel before in the clear, and I don't know if you remember seeing my Easter nails. I did the clear tips with that one. This is a pink. It's a very pale pink, translucent. And I'm going to, so you can see the clarity of it and see how translucent it is, or maybe how opaque it is. I am going to try it on these tips. So this one's a clear tip and this is a white tip. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. Let me go ahead and I went ahead and top coat them with AIMEILI's gel top coat. Let me go ahead and remove them from here so you can see them better. Okay, so here they are. I wanted you to see the difference. This was the clear tip. Okay, so you can see the translucency of that polygel right there. This is, oops, let me get that right back up. And this is the one over the white tip. Almost white. And for the application, guys, what I did, I used isopropyl alcohol. I did not use the slip solution, and it works really well. You know what, when you are applying, and this, for these swatches, what I did is what some of you do as far as applying the polygel over the tips. That will be similar to you doing an overlay over your own nails, okay? And so you do want to, when you use isopropyl alcohol or even the slip solution, you do not want to use too much. However, if you happen to use more than what you really should when doing the application, I want to mention that with this polygel, because I have had that experience before. I did not have any bad experience with this getting grainy on me from having to apply too much alcohol. So that is good. You do not want to use too much alcohol, but in the case that you do, you don't have to worry about this polygel getting all grainy on you. So that's good. I'm happy to see that. It is a very good quality polygel, pretty easy to use and manage and squeeze out of the tube. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review on these swatches. Now, if you guys have any questions about this product, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I will have the links down in the description bar below. A 30 ml too, very well priced item on their website. They're also available on Amazon, so I will have both links down below. I would like to thank AIMEILI for sending me this beautiful product to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.